In this video, we'll learn about gravitation. We'll learn about gravitational force and centripetal force. We know that planets are moving around the sun. Sir Isaac Newton, he observed that the Earth, beside attracting small objects or near its surface, it attracts the planet and other heavenly bodies away from it. He further assumed that the force of attraction exists between all objects, big or small, not even the surface on the Earth. It is said that he sat under the apple tree and the apple happened to fall down on his head. This made us think that why the apple is falling towards the earth. We know that rain always falls towards the earth. Whenever the object is up, it always comes back to the earth. How this happens, we'll explain. According to the second law of motion, acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass of an object. The mass compared to the apple and the earth. The mass of an apple is negligible compared to the earth. Because of this reason, we can see that the apple fall towards each other. In spite of that, they attract to each other. For the same reason, we can see the planets are revolving around the sun. Newton continued that all objects in the universe attract each other. This force by which all objects tend to attract each other is the gravitational force. Now we'll study about the centripetal force. One activity which we used to play is that we can take a piece of stone and tie with a thread, and after that holding, when we hold the other end and while in the horizontal, what do you observe? The stone is moving in a circular path. After release, then the stone move in a straight direction. The change in direction of stone happens due to the change in its velocity or acceleration. Therefore, this force that causes acceleration on a body moving in a certain path, it is directed towards the center of the rotation of a body, is called centripetal force. One example of the centripetal force is that the motion of the moon, the motion of the planet around the sun. Because of the centripetal force, the moon does not fly away. I hope that gravitational force or gravity is clear. The same reason the planet move around the sun because of the force, that is centripetal force. As a revision, we'll start again. What is gravity? When an object falls in the earth, it falls towards the earth. To understand more about the gravity, we'll just take an example. Two objects in the universe, one an apple and one, yes, a man with a spacesuit. Both of them, they have non-zero mass, means they have a mass. Both of them, they attract each other. That means they are pulling towards each other. The pulling of these two objects towards each other, that is what we call gravitational force. In case of Earth and human being, both of them are pulling to each other. But the question is that why human being is always falling towards the earth? In simple, we can say gravitational force is an attractive force between any two objects with non-zero mass. we already understand the concept of this gravitation. One question is, why don't two humans get pulled towards each other? Why don't two stars collide to each other? In the next video, we'll try to explain it. Stay tuned. Thank you.